Hello, my dear friends. You are watching Pharma First Job Updates in a minute. So, coming to today's vacancy from Vital Pharma, this is a walk-in interview on 17th June 2023 at Hyderabad location. So, coming to the department-wise vacancies for maintenance department, B.Tech electrical experience, 3 to 5 years of experience, preferable for pharma experience for department production or maintenance. ITA or diploma, fitter, mechanical or electrical, freshers passed out 2019 to 2023 for department quality assurance, male or female, M.Pharma or M.Sc, 2 to 3 years of experience in analytical document review. So for the department senior executive quality assurance, male or female, M.Pharma or M.Sc, 4 to 5 years of experience in QA operation. For department stores, B.Sc or B.Com, 0 to 2 years of experience, passed out 2019 to 2023. So here you can see 9:30 a.m. onwards until 12:30 p.m. at the venue. So Vital Therapeutics and Formulations Private Limited, Charlapalli, IDS, Sikindrabad. So these are the vacancies, my dear friends. Thank you for watching. For job updates like this, you can subscribe. You can also check the HR contact for any queries. Thank you.